something. My comeback on 100. Let's talk it, more action. You just gon' see coming. I just keep elevating. No losses, just upgrading. My lessons made blessings. I turn that into money. They gotta never settle.
Guys, today's video, me learning how to do a cut crease, because it looks complicated. Yeah, I know. I've been watching other people do it and it looks like it's a lot. And then I even see people doing different techniques to achieve the cut crease. So I figured, I don't need to use those things. As you guys can see, this is what my finishing result was after taking it off for the first time and redoing it the second time using different colors. It seems hard, but it's actually easier than what it appears to be. So, if you guys are interested how I am learning to do it and how I did it, just stay tuned.
I'm in my face with this. This is their foundation box. Open it like that. And it looks like a little cake mix batter as ingredients. It tells you what to do, the steps, how to bake your face. And I think it's pretty cool. And it tells you on the back, it tells you the step, also how to prep and stuff like that. Prep, mix, and bake. And then it has what the products you'll need in order to get this step achieved. So, called Cake Mix. It is a mattifying foundation. I'm very oily, so that's why I have to go for mattifying. So it says, our Cake Mix foundation is a medium to full coverage demi-matte foundation infused with vitamin E, oil-free, and lightweight. Cake Mix lets bake your cake without eating it too. And this again is from Bakerie, the damn beauty blender. Like so. So I'm gonna blend it. So blend my eyebrows off camera, and what I'm going to be using to do my eyebrows is Taken for Granite from Colourpop. Eyebrows are on, and use gummies. I went in with the Morphe palette, Happy Hour 15. These are the colors. So this is actually going to be my base color. I'm using light strokes. Very dry. My word choice is so like not the best. But the palette from Colourpop. And I'm actually gonna go in with this purple color here. And the name of it is Keep Cool. So let's see. And I'm actually going between e.l.f. and Morphe brushes. So just in case you guys was wondering what kind of brushes I was using. I don't even know the number of the brushes, because I just don't. So I'm going back in with the the creasing area. You can't even see mine. Can't even see that. So I don't know what I think about it right now, but I'm not gonna give up. I'm gonna keep going. I feel like the color's not really giving me what I want right now. So, maybe my color choice wasn't the best. I don't know. But I'm gonna keep going and just, you never know. Bring It, which is this blue color here. Because I know the only thing it's about color. And that's probably what it was. And I know the colors can be like over everywhere. Do the cut crease, do the cut crease, do the cut crease. So I'm gonna go in with that my brush to like blend that in so that there's no harsh lines. Like so. LA Pro concealer. My Morphe flat brush to apply the concealer and drag it down. I didn't want to use the actual concealer to drag it down because I didn't want to put too much on. So this is actually a way how to, if you have eyelids like mine, small and slightly hooded, come actually as I'm applying the product.
Bye. Until next time.